In this video, you will learn how to pay Disney Plus with Google Play. Open the Google Play Store, launch Google Play Store on your Android device, then make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Add a payment method, go to Payment and Subscriptions in the menu, then add a preferred payment method. This could be a debit card, credit card, or even PayPal. Open Disney Plus app, download and open the Disney Plus app from the Google Play Store if you have not already. Sign in or create an account. Log into your Disney Plus account or create one to proceed with your subscription setup. Choose a subscription plan. Set up your Disney Plus subscription plan that you want. This could be monthly or yearly. Pay via Google Pay. At checkout, select Google Play Billing as your payment option. Confirm, then continue your subscription fee, which will be charged through Google Play. Now you know how to pay Disney Plus with Google Pay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.